Hello, all you marvelous people, and welcome back to the Mouse Diva channel for a bookish vlog.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Today I have the August 2023 young adult Once Upon a Book Club box, and today's September 5th, and the box came today, and this is the August box. Yeah, it seems to be shipping like later and later, so I'm not going to go through how Once Upon a Book Club works because I have so many other Once Upon a Book Club videos out there. So if you'd like to know the backstory, how it works, just watch one of my older vlogs. I'm sorry I can't take time to do that, but I am really pressed for time. We're getting ready to go to Branson, Missouri. If you want to see those vlogs, check out my family channel, Life's a Whirlwind. We've never been there before, and we have plenty of things planned. This month's theme is Secrets of the Sea, and we have 4 gifts. And guys, they've done it again. But Once Upon a Book Club does this often. We have 2 page 56s. One of them is supposed to be page 143, because I have 105 and I have 254, so 143. So we're gonna have to, as I'm finding the post-it notes and the books on the pages, well, 56 is first, so we'll do that. But as I'm finding them, we'll kind of have to read and judge, should I open this one or should I open this one? Our book this month, Those We Drown. And guys, I am so happy because it is a hardback book. I collect hardbacks, not soft covers. And look. If you look really closely, I'm trying to get it for you guys, you can kind of see an indentation of an octopus. I really don't think it's coming out. I'm sorry, guys, but there is a little indentation of an octopus. All right, we got to do it. Ooh. So, I found one. So we got seaweed for the each chapter is some seaweed. Oh my gosh, guys. I love the way books feel. This just, oh my gosh. I wish I had a job where I could just read books all day long. Okay, so this book is by Amy Goldsmith. She grew up in South Coast of England, obsessed with 70s horror movies and ghost stories. Ooh, cool. Okay, so about the book. It should have been a trip of a lifetime. When Liv lands an all-expense paid opportunity to study abroad the luxury cruise ship. For a semester, she can't believe her luck, especially since it will offer her the chance to spend time with Will, her ex-best friend, who's barely spoken to her since the night their relationship changed forever. But as soon as she steps on board, Liv realizes just how out of depth she is with Will, with the rest of the semester students, not semester, semester students, including the brittle and beautiful Constantine, who may be hiding his own ties to the cruise ship. Oh my gosh, and we're talking about sirens and glamorous and mysterious influencers, and she discovers the only reason she was invited to join the trip is because another girl disappeared shortly after enrolling, and no one seems to know what happened to her. Oh my gosh, okay. Guys, really do not have time to read when we're on vacation. I have a huge test to study for, and I was going to use any spare time on the trip for that, but oh my gosh, this sounds so interesting. Okay, I digress. Let's figure out which one I am supposed to open up for page 56. All right. 56. As I move the chair out of the way. Okay, let's go up some. I made my bed and straightened up the rest of the room as I moved the chair out of the way of the desk in order to unplug my phone charger. I frowned. Oh boy, this one's hard. I'm not sure. I mean, normally you can tell right away what the gift is. Well, it's not a chair. So, and it's not a bed. So I am going to propose that we go to the next page, the 143, and see if we get a clue from there. Okay. Fluorescent of his fake tan began rattling off numbers. The numbers on the card swam in front of my eyes. Okay, so this one says card. So I'm going to guess that this might be for page 143. So we're going to go ahead and open this one for page 56. You guys know that I like to reuse wrapping paper. So I'm going to go off camera to open this and be right back. First off, let's take a moment to appreciate how perfectly I was able to get this off. And second, yeah, I'm in different readers. The screw came out of my other readers. Okay, so it also kind of looks like grass or seaweed. So what? Oh my gosh, what is in here? Why? Is this like adult proof because it's a young, like old? Is this like old person proof? And only young adults can open this? Guys, I cannot get this open. Oh my gosh, this is, okay. Are they coasters? No, what is, oh. Is this a charger? It's a charger. It is a wireless charger. Okay, that is super cool. So I don't have one of these. And I really wouldn't mind having one of these. But this is such a perfect gift. Because I know who this, my best friend, teenage daughter, Christmas. This would be perfect. I am so torn on keeping that or not. And normally it's like, okay, gift, no problem. I'm torn on that one. Okay, so, oh my gosh. And did you guys watch my adult Once Upon a Book Club for August? Those gifts rocked. I am not kidding. I really, really liked the August 2023 adult box. So if you haven't seen that blog, go watch that. Okay. I love this folder. This is so cool. Okay, let's go. Let's open this up. Okay, what have we got? Oh my gosh, no way. This is book bingo. Can you complete 5 of these bookish activities in a row? Post your bingo on Instagram using the hashtag, and then they give you the hashtag, and we'll be randomly selecting winners to receive a prize. Well, that's new. Wow. So it's not actually like something for us, but that's kind of a cool little game. Okay, so let's play. Read outside, yes. Read an entire book in a day, yes. Post the book you're reading on social media, yes. Make a themed snack to go with your book. No, I've never done that. That involves being in the kitchen. Read in a coffee shop, yes. Read a nonfiction book, yep. Read with coffee and a cozy blanket. Yeah. Stay up past your bedtime. Oh my God, does all night long count? Seriously, the last Harry Potter book, when that came out, I was at the beach all night long. Not kidding you. Stayed up all night. Couldn't finish. Couldn't stop because I had to finish. Read at the gym. Yeah. Listen to an audiobook while cleaning. I don't listen to audiobooks. I'm an old-fashioned gal, and I don't do audiobooks, and I don't do electronic books. It is all physical books for me, so that one's a big fat no. Trade books with a friend. No, I don't give my books away, or trade them. No. Attend an author event at a library or bookstore. Several of those. Free space. Scratch me first. Ooh, should we do that? Is there something special about it? Like, hold on. I had to look for a second. I'm in my daughter's room. I'm like, ooh, is there any money? And there's some money. Free space. Let's just go ahead and do that. See what it looks like. This. Am I scratching too much? Oh my gosh, I think I'm scratching too much. I think too much is... Oh no, it's not. Okay. Okay. So it is just... It's just books. Just a stack of books. Okay. Read a book or chapter out loud. I haven't read a chapter out loud, but I've read like paragraphs. Oh, yes, I have. How many times have I read to my kids? Yes, I've done that. Dress like your favorite character for the day. No, I've never done that. Reread a childhood favorite. Yep. Visit a little free library. Yep. Read on an airplane. Yep. Read an ebook. No, that's an electronic. Create a fan art for your latest read. Nope. Check out a book from the library, of course. Buddy read a book with a friend. Yep. Buy a book secondhand, of course. Read in your pajamas. Yeah. Is there a better way? And then watch a movie or TV show inspired by a book. Of course, Da Vinci Code. Okay, that was fun. Okay. So, we're going to 105. And 105. So, oh, by the way, if you want to try out Once Upon a Book Club, look in the description below. And, oh, I got to go back. And there, I have a referral discount code for you. And I'm also an ambassador for the Wordy Traveler Book Club. And you can also get a code off there. Okay, so 105. A delicate silk scarf adorned with white skulls. Well, we don't need to guess what this is. It's very flimsy. That was an easy one, so it will definitely be a scarf. I'm like curious about the scarf. Ooh, looky. Isn't this perfect for the upcoming Halloween season? So let's see the back. I eyed the scarf in my hand. There was only one reason it would be in Will's room. Okay, this is the reason you open these gifts as you read, for reasons like that. This is very heavy, thick scarf, guys. Wow, it is big and it is heavy. Check it out. Now, I don't wear scarves, but I would definitely be putting this in my antique booth for sale. Because very soon I will be decorating for Halloween. All right, we have one left, page 254. So, who is super excited about fall? Tell me below. What is your favorite season? Mine is fall, with winter being next, and then spring and summer is last for me. Okay. It was a well-thumbed copy of the Iliad. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's not a book. Flicking through, it looked as if several passages had been highlighted. So, are they highlighters, even though the post-it note was covering up the line that says highlighters? And normally the post-it note is right underneath the actual hint. Okay, definitely we'll be reusing this box. Who do I know that has a birthday in the summer? Because that's perfect. Offhand, I can't think of anybody. Oh, what is this? What? Oh, we have another. No, okay. Wow. I am keeping this. Wow. It's a fan. It is a chargeable fan. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, guys? I just canceled this subscription box. I just canceled the young adult because I started getting the middle grade box, which the first box I got literally blew me away. Blew me away. You need to watch that opening because, number one, I tell you why, and it's a very unique reason why I got the middle grade box. And so I get my boxes 3 months at a time. I prepay. So I have 2 more boxes. And I'm like, if those next 2 boxes are as good as that first one, I'm never giving up that subscription box. And the book was a hardback book. And it was so good. And I already know the thing about the middle grade book. The middle grade, they tell you what the book is. And oh my gosh, that story should be really, really, really good. I love this. Now see, I like all these, and oh my, why they do this? It's like Murphy's Law. It's like, I'm really not too happy with it. I like the others better, so let's cancel this one. And then they give me a box that I really, really like. Go figure. Murphy's Law, right? Alright guys, so I have a playlist of bookish videos, and of course I'm the Mouse Diva, so I have plenty of Disney content also, and I just got back. And we'll be going on, and I have an upcoming Disney trip in October. So subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any videos. Until the next page.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a way.